In any Kathak performance that you see, we present different compositions made up of a variety of languages. We normally have 4 languages used in a Kathak performance. The first is its own language, the Kathak language, which has words like ta, thai, tat, tigda, digdig, tram, thun, etc. The second comes from the rhythmic percussions of the North Indian classical music like the tabla and pakhavaj, which has more heavier and powerful words like dhage tita tage tita, dirdirgir tak tatirgir tak, kirdhet takat tita, and so on.
The DNA, it has a language with 4 letters. These 4 are A, T, G, and C. Each of these letters is a building block of the DNA. Thousands of these are stitched together in many different combinations to make open reading frames, genes, and many other fascinating sequences.
Let's now listen to one composition in Kathak language, which is also known as a tola. Na, dhin, dhin, na, na, dhin, 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 na, na, tin, tin, na, kra, kar, dhin, dhin, na, ta, thai, ta, 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 thai, ta, ta, thai, tat, 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 kit, thai, dig, 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 thai, na, dig, dig, da, dig, 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 tho, dig, dig, tho, dig, 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 tat, tat, thai, tat, thai, dig, dig, thai, dig, dig, thai, ta, 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 thai, ta, dig, dig, tat, thai, ta, ta, thai, ta, dig, dig, tat, thai, ta, ta, thai, ta, dig, dig, tat, thai.
We will finish making lots of proteins from one mRNA. The information from the DNA is now expressed as proteins in the cells. Proteins do all the work in the cell and keep it happy and healthy.